Good morning, students. Today, from Standard 8 English Medium, chapter number 10. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is Perfect Tenses. Not a single tense, but talk about the perfect tenses. Let's see. Here the given the diagram of perfect tenses. See, here given the present, past and future. The sub part of present perfect is present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Same as here given the past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And in the future, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. But now I am going to discuss with you only the present perfect tense. Which tense? Present perfect tense. Okay, so in this tense, what we do? First, we do the structure of the present perfect tense. Let's see. Here given the structure of the present perfect tense. In the affirmative sentence, the present perfect tense use he, she, it or singular noun with auxiliary verb has and the past participle. So what is the structure? Subject, singular subject, he, she, it or Rina or means the noun form plus has with the singular and plural with have. Then past participle, then object or other word. Okay, so he has worked, she has worked, Rina has worked. In affirmative, in the plural, just as I, we, you, they, first person singular plural, second person plural and third person plural, with what we use with have and past participle form of the main verb given. In the negative form, what we do have and has with add what? Not, or the short form of haven't or hasn't, we use the negative form. With interrogative, we use same as WH word and then we see the subject. If he, she or name given, then auxiliary verb has you used. If the plural noun means second person plural, third person plural, first person plural, I, or the plural noun is used, then we use have in interrogative sentence. Then the past verb, past participle of the given verb you use. Then at last the symbol of the question mark. So this is the structure of the present perfect tense. Then here given where we use using the present tense, perfect tense. See, the present perfect tense is used to refer to what? A complete action in the past that has some relevance to a connection with the present. Means at the time of speaking, you talk about the past, they have visited, where they have visited Singapore recently. Means the action was completed. In the past, they have visited what? Singapore. But at the time of speaking, the action, the past action that has relevance to the connection in the future. Present perfect. Okay, here given the example, I have known you since my childhood and I know you since the childhood. Have and known is used. Now elder, he is elder since the childhood, he knows, but now he elder, still he knows him. That is why this action is completed in the past and action is going on at the time of speaking. And indefinite action in the past where the exact time and other details are not given. Example, have you been to this place before? Means no specific time in the past. The effect of the action in terms of enthusiasm action being hinted at here given. Have you been to the place before? The place and the time is not mentioned here. Though we here use present perfect. Have you been to this place before? Means talking about the past, but not mention the time. And the third, an action that ended just before the time of speaking. Prerna has just broken the vase, means at the time of speaking, within 1-2 minute before, he has just broken the vase. There where we use the present perfect. Then we use news, the reading the news, where there we use the present perfect. The financial budget has allocated funds for rural housing. In the past, already the financial budget allocated, but at the time of speaking, allocation is there for the rural housing and use in the future. Then a repeated action that continues still in the present time. She has practiced her role several times before this. She has practiced her role. What role? In the past, and the action is going on, means repeating. There we use the present perfect. A mental action in progress that started in the past and has continued. He has always word. Progress that started in the past and has continued. Always enjoyed his responsibility as the class captain. Enjoying the started when he was given the responsibility in the past and still enjoys it. In the past, he enjoyed, and present, still the responsibility had taken it, enjoying is going on. So this is how we use the simple present perfect tense. What is the structure? Subject plus have has. Have has plus past participle plus object or other word. Have has with past participle. Okay, where we use have and has, if we use he, she, it, or a singular noun. What singular noun? Then we use has, auxiliary verb has and past participle. And the rest of the noun means the plural noun. I, we, you, they pronoun. With the plural noun you use the auxiliary verb have. Okay, then here given the exercise, we using the present perfect tense we fill the blank. Let's do it. Here given the instruction, complete the sentences below using the words in the brackets in the present perfect forms. Here given not seen. In the first blank given not seen. What is the subject? I. I with what we use? Have. What we use? Have. Then what here given? Not and the see. So negative word we use it not, and the past participle of see is seen. In the second blank, my neighbor Riya and I. How many persons are there? 2 persons. Neighbors Riya and I. And here given the know. Each other since 1944. So since 1944, neighbor and means neighbor Riya and I know each other, and still the action is going on. Still he knew. Okay, so here 2 persons are there, so use have. And what is the word is used? Know. So past participle of the word know is known. What? Known. Have known is the answer. Now third, Gina's aunt, singular, talking about aunt, is a famous filmmaker. Then here use see. Which pronoun here use? See. See and the verb given make. 5 films till now. So third person singular is used, then we use the auxiliary verb has. And what is the past participle of make? Made is the past participle of the make. She has made is the right answer. Gina's aunt is a famous filmmaker. She has made 5 films till now. Then the third, here given the fourth one. She blank received the best film award for one of her films. So the same, here use the third person singular she. Then what we use has, and receive is the given verb, main verb. So what we use past participle is received. What? Has received. Now comes to the fifth one. I blank 5 letters to you, but you have replied to none. Here given right. And the pronoun is given I. So with I we use what? Have. And past participle of the verb right is given. So past participle of the verb is written. Have written. I have written 5 letters to you. Okay. Write is the main verb. Wrote past form and written past participle. We use the present perfect tense with the past participle verb. Now comes to the number 6. Your daughter. The daughter word given as singular form. So with the singular form we use has, and the verb given grow. So the past participle of the verb is grown. Your daughter has grown so tall in the last 3 years. What? Last 3 years. And now comes to number 7. Here use I, and the negative word is given not and see. Sina in a long time. I with what we use? Have, and we use not. The see already used in the first blank. So what is the past participle of the see? Seen. I have not seen. So the 7th answer. Now comes to number 8. I heard that she blank very well in her final examination. So here given she, third form pronoun. So we use has and do. Do in present form, past participle done. She means she has done very well in her final examination. So this is how we use the present perfect tense. Now comes to the exercise here given. Choose the correct form of the verb in the fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Here given the examples. Examples, not the options. Okay. When dash this office. 3 options are given. Did you join? Have you joined? And did you ever join? So here the answer is when is used. But what is the answer? When did you join this office? In the past, join. But we do not know. Still now he is in the office or not. So the answer is the first. When did you join? Then the second, B. That was the best film that dash. Options are ever show, I have ever seen, I did ever see. Okay, or 3 options. That was the best film that. Best film. In the past I haven't seen. So here use I have ever seen is the correct answer. Comes to C. It's difficult to believe that. Means not believable that she blank a movie. Has never watched, didn't watch, and wasn't watching. So what is here used? It's difficult to believe means unbelievable. So the answer is has never watched. She has never watched a movie. From child to the young is not believable a single movie has not seen by him or her. So her. So not believable, that is why use has never watched. Present perfect tense here use. And the D, blank in a meeting with the principal last evening. Okay, so what we use here? I was, I have been, I have. in a meeting with the principal, here using the to be form, with the principal last evening, the action is already completed and not showing that is going on. So use what? I was. The past action. I was in a meeting with the principal last evening. That was the action completed. That is why here use I was. So the exercise you write in your notebook, and I hope you understand about this tense. Which tense? Present perfect tense. I hope you understand it. Thank you.